Welcome to Cascada Corbata Blanca in El Hoyo, Chubut, Argentina on Thursday, February 8th, 2024. It's Howard Paul Shore, and the Cascada is basically right there. And over here, I guess it's kind of like a river or an arroyo where the water keeps going and flowing all the way down the stream, okay? So why don't we just walk a little closer and see it? Oh, it's very nice today. Not so hot. And there it is. We're getting a better view of it. Wow. Beautiful. I'm sure glad I came here. Wow. That is just incredible. So maybe I can go down even further. Wow. Wow, that is so cool. I am just like on top of it basically. Look at that. Let me try to drink the water. The water is really cold, but it tastes good. So anyway, if you're looking for a great place to visit, you definitely found one. Cascada Corbata Blanca. Thanks so much for watching my video. Have a great day. Come visit. Bye-bye.